Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. In the beginning, God. John, the Gospel of John, chapter 1, verse 1. In the beginning was the Word. I want to just talk about for a moment this phrase, in the beginning, or rather I want to apply it. You see, because here's what I want to share with you. In the beginning, God was there. In the beginning of your life, God was there. In the beginning of your day today, God was there. In the beginning of the joys that you've experienced, God was there. In the beginning of the difficulties and the pain and the sadness and the betrayals and the hurt, God was there. God is there in the beginning, and He walks with you, and He says He will never leave you nor forsake you. Sometimes we might feel lonely. I have felt that way before. But in the beginning, God was there, and He's there still, and He loves you so much. And if you want to know Him, and if you want to walk with Him intimately, ask Jesus, walk with me, Lord. So I would every day, every afternoon, at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, a.m. or p.m., in the beginning, I would walk with you and be walking with you. God bless you. Until I see you next time.